Good afternoon, goeiemiddag, dumelang. I've got a bite from Sky. He says he's going to buy the tablet. He's very happy with the price. Because I already dropped it. I dropped the price from 1,500 to 1,000. I don't want to. I was so excited about sharing this journey. I don't know how many people are going to follow me at the end, but I'm enjoying this, so I'm sharing it. So I dropped the price from 1,500 to 1,000. I don't want to make a video once every month. My price is usually I like to make things quite affordable, so they fly. As you guys can see, I need that car. Look at this. The thumbnails are there to keep the roof from falling on my head, like the Goths. What the Gauls thought in Asterix. The sky must not fall on our heads. So yeah, but I'm gonna go sell this now, and then we'll be looking at what we're gonna purchase next. If you've got any ideas, please share. I enjoy computer components, especially now due to the AI and everything being overpriced if you buy it new. So I think we're gonna buy something like RAM or maybe a GPU or something like that. But if you've got an idea or something that you'd like to sell and make part of the journey, you're more than welcome. And yeah, this is safe. It's a hands-free kit, so please now don't hate me. No hate. If you've got something bad to say, please write a comment. And then yeah, I'll be speaking to you what we're gonna buy next. So as you can see, it's part of the journey. We get to a garage, then we wait for the person that says they're already here. It's part of the fun. I've been doing this for years now. So always people say I'm here, then I get there, they're not there already. So let's see if they're actually here now. Okay, so I'm meeting Sky, Nelly Bitslama.
Yeah, on Facebook.
On Facebook,
Yeah.
Sky. Okay, so I'm selling this tablet now too. And that is Sky, ne?
Yeah,
So here's the tablet. You happy with, you see I made it a good price, eh?
yeah.
1,500. What's up, Elena?
5?
1,000. What did I say? 5,000.
Yeah.
I want to make it expensive now. When I patala EFT or ama cash, aki batla cash, aki rata cash and that. Batla patala EFT na.
Nee,
Cash, matata and that ana matata. I will pay that deposit fee, ana matata. It is clean. It is wiped everything there, so that's perfect. So yeah. What's up, Elena?
Ja, dat.
Lebo Ramaside.
Net een SIM card of.
I think it's only got one there. So we've got the cash money. I don't like cash. I don't actually do cash, but I'll just go bank it. I see all these guys in America. They show everyone exactly how much money they're carrying, and they're driving through America or whatever country, and then the guys get robbed because the guys are heavy on the cash. I'm not gonna do that. Ek het nooit kontant by my nie. Soos hierdie kontant gaan ek nou dadelik gaan bank. It's gonna be gone like this. Because anyway, if you walk around with cash, you see, like, I'm still in the parking lot. I don't have a hands-free yet. I'm gonna put in my hands-free now. But if you walk around with cash, you anyway never know where it's going. So I don't enjoy cash. It's only the guys with the tax. They say something about tax and cash, but I don't know those stories. I don't know nothing about that. Okay, but here I'm on the road. Okay, so we are back. Money has been banked. So I've got no cash. I enjoy selling things for cash, like I said, not because I like cash, not because I like money. I just enjoy buying and selling things, and you know, there's a massive market, I believe, like in the second-hand industry. People are actually speaking about it, etc., etc. There's many things happening. But yeah, so money's banked. Speak to me about what we're going to buy next. If you've got an idea, please share. I've been doing this for quite some time, but I really appreciate any insight or ideas or whatever. I'm not gonna do what those guys do, like with a paperclip, because that seems like hilarious to me. Paperclip to a house or something. Maybe if we get the car, and please share ideas about cars. People that know me know I'm a Jeep guy. Like, I enjoy Jeeps. No, they're not light on fuel. They're not what do you call it? It's nie betrouwbaar nie. They're not even that. Is altyd so mooi nie. But I like them. I don't know why. So maybe tell me what I must like, or what else is there to like. Miskien weet ek net nie van beter nie. But yeah, speak to me and let's take it from there. I enjoy buying a lot of things on cash converters online. They're very quick, and they've got great deals. And then also on auctions, but online auctions. I don't go waste my time standing the entire day. The guys try to show who's got the most money. I'm not all about that. I'm just there to get a bargain. I know people like bargain hunting. I've been a bargain hunter for quite some time. So yeah, as you can see, I'm safe back home in a parking area in a car with the thumbnails. This is the only thumbnail you're gonna see on my videos. I don't do those thumbnails. It's the cool. I was just cool with the thumbnails. These are my thumbnails. I've got thumbnails on my roof. Okay, let's go. Let me know.